Everyone knows brands, but do we really know what branding actually means? Is it the logo? Is it the packaging? Or is it the big hoarding, advertising, or marketing that you see outside? Let's hear it from the legends who built the modern world of brands. Branding isn't just a logo or a fancy ad, it's the difference between a soap and your soap. According to David Ogilvy, a brand is the intangible sum of a product's attributes. In short, it's not just what you sell, it's what people feel about it. Branding is about perception. Walter Landor said, "Products are made in the factory, but brands are created in the mind. In people's minds, your brand becomes a story, an emotion, a trust signal." Marty Neumeier hits the nail on the head. A brand is not what you say it is, it's what they say it is. You don't own your brand, your audience does. What does Seth Godin have to say? A set of memories, stories, and expectations that drive a choice. Branding builds tribes, loyalists, and movements. It's the emotional shortcut to a decision. When you think Apple, Nike, or Coke, you feel something. That's branding. Shaping emotions, building identity. In short, branding is the art of shaping perception, earning trust, and creating meaning that lives in people's hearts. It's not decoration, it's not just marketing. It's your reputation, your story, your superpower. So the real question isn't do you need rebranding? It's what story are you telling?